Imagine paying $3,000 for a dream cruise and somehow ending up spending less than $300 out of pocket. Sounds impossible, right? That's exactly what happened to one experienced cruiser named Mark. While everyone else on board was paying full price for excursions, drinks, internet, and onboard activities, he was quietly using a strategy that most passengers never even knew existed. By the end of the voyage, his actual vacation cost was a fraction of what everyone around him paid. Here's how he did it. Mark didn't start as an expert cruiser. Years ago, he made the same mistakes most passengers make. He booked expensive shore excursions through the cruise line, bought internet packages on board, and paid retail prices for everything. Then he started studying how cruise pricing actually works. For his next cruise, he booked during a promotion that included onboard credit. He monitored prices after booking and successfully secured an upgrade when fares dropped. Before sailing, he purchased discounted gift cards that could be applied toward onboard purchases. Instead of buying expensive cruise line excursions, he booked reputable local tours for less than half the price. He also skipped the drink package because he knew he wouldn't drink enough to make it worthwhile. By the time the cruise ended, the onboard credit had covered many of his expenses. The discounted gift cards reduced his spending even further, and the savings from independent excursions added up quickly. What started as a $3,000 vacation effectively felt like a few $100s out of pocket compared to what he would have spent otherwise. The secret wasn't finding a loophole. It was understood that cruise lines make money from passengers who don't compare prices, don't monitor fares, and don't take advantage of available promotions. The passengers who spend the least aren't necessarily the ones who book the cheapest cruises. They're the ones who know where the real savings are hidden. So what about you? What's the best cruise money-saving tip you've ever discovered? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more cruise secrets, travel hacks, and insider tips, hit that like button and subscribe. Because sometimes the difference between a $3,000 cruise and a $300 cruise isn't luck. It's knowing what most passengers never learn.